You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to reuse this. This is actually a charger. We bought it, a charger. Can you see that? It's a charger, tower power charger. And then my husband bought it, and then I was looking at how to reuse it. Will I just throw it away like this? And I see that it's so beautiful. So I decided to see a way of reusing it. And then you can see it has something like where you can hang it. Can you see? It has something like a hanging side. Okay. And then this is the cover. So all I will do to this is I'm going to take this inside like this. Can you see? And then with this I can hang it close to uh my standing mirror. Can you see that? So now what I'll do is, can you see? So I can fix something inside of here. I can fix something inside of it, like my brush, my pen. So can you see that? So using these, have been able to rearrange my toothbrush, and you can decide to use it for, let's assume you can decide to put your children's pencils, uh pen. So instead of throwing things away, we can look at ways of reusing them. So can you see that? So this is my standing mirror. So I've decided to turn this, instead of throwing it away, I've decided to use it as my toothbrush stand. So thank you so much for watching my video. Whenever you have something, instead of throwing it away, just look at a way of reusing it. Don't throw it away. There are a lot of things we can use. Can you see that? So I can easily remove my toothbrush from here and use it. Can you see? So thank you so much for watching this video. I would like to see your video where you reuse something you were supposed to throw away. So thank you so much. Try and be reusing, try and recycle. Instead of throwing things away, we can look at ways of using them. Thank you so much for watching. So do subscribe to my channel at Taron Innovative World, my YouTube channel. I teach you a lot of things, how to make bags. I mean real bags, how to make bags to become a bag maker, and then you sell them, souvenir bags, school bags, lunch bags, those important things. Even recently, we are going to be introducing Ankara bags, fabric bags. So just keep tuned into my channel and you will never regret subscribing to my channel. Please subscribe to this channel, Taron Innovative World, and also invite friends and family to also be a part of this channel. Support me, encourage me a lot. I'm going to drop my YouTube channel link there so that you can easily subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. So do have a lovely day. Bye.